Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this beautiful BMW 1 Series 125D M Sport Auto. Now this vehicle is currently done 34,662 miles and it's finished in the colour Alpine White. If you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now let's take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have your LED headlights which light up the road extremely well, giving you great visibility of the road at night. To ensure you can see as well as be seen by other road users. Now moving around here to the side, you do have your 18-inch alloy wheels. You do have your indicator integrated into the door mirror. You have very nice chrome detailing along the bottom of the windows there. Take a look inside here at the rear. You have very nice smart cloth as well as suede Alcantara effect seats. There are ISOFIX points on the two outer seats as well, making it very easy to fit a child seat into the vehicle. You can be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. It's a very practical hot hatch. Looks extremely stylish and sporty as well. Now moving around to the rear here, you do have your dual exhaust there and you have your 125D badge in there on the tailgate. You can open the boot by pushing the BMW badge in and it flips open to reveal a very nice amount of space. You can easily fit a weekly shop in here. And there are tethering points as well, so you can tie any loads down if you need to, if you don't want things to move around freely in the vehicle. You have a handle up top as well, allowing you to easily close the tailgate. Now let's take a look inside to the front of the vehicle here. Here inside you will find your black leather multifunction steering wheel with the M Sport badging at the bottom. You have a very nice metal finish across the dashboard and on the doors as well. You have your front seats here. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. You also have an armrest in the centre console finished in leather, where you can rest your arm comfortably while on the go and also store things away underneath. Now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this BMW has to offer. Starting on the driver's door, you do have your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. With the folding, you can quickly fold the mirrors in and keep them protected. It's very handy when parking on narrow roads, for example, as you can prevent the mirrors from being knocked off by other road users as they tuck nice and tightly into the vehicle. It's very easy to make adjustments to the mirrors so you can see clearly to the rear. Do have full electric windows with the option for locking the rear windows if you don't want rear passengers to put them down. You do have automatic headlights as well as wipers, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. You can see with your wiper stock there, the green light will indicate that the auto wipers are on. And here below on the dashboard you'll find your buttons for your active braking, which will detect potential hazards ahead, emergency brake if necessary to prevent or reduce impact. You also have your lane keeping aid, which will alert you when the vehicle is starting to drift out of its lane, so you can correct this. You do have your controls there for the infotainment system, where you can make changes to the volume and change track or station. Here on the opposite side you do have your cruise control, which is ideal for the longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time, and it allows you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. There's also a speed limiter with this as well. If you want to set up a speed that you don't want the vehicle to go over, it won't allow you to accelerate faster than this speed. Here at the end of the indicator stalk you have your controls for your digital display below your dials there in the instrument cluster. And here in the centre you do have your iDrive infotainment system, which is controlled using the spinning dials and buttons in the centre console. You can access your radio with DAB, FM and AM. You can easily find and tune your favourite stations to the vehicle with a list of stations available to you that you can save and then access them in your memory settings. With your DAB, you have a nice clear audio quality as well as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio, you can enjoy it nice and clearly. You have a CD player with the vehicle, and you can also connect your own source of audio with USB and auxiliary inputs, and there's also Bluetooth as well. It's very easy to play your own source of audio, and with your Bluetooth as well, you do also have the option to make hands-free phone calls, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls you may have. It's very easy to pair your device up here, and you can also import your contacts into the vehicle, so that way it's very easy to call whoever you need to when you're on the go. You do have your navigation, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. You do have the option for changing the view using the scroller to zoom in and out on the map. It has a very nice 3D effect to it. It's very clear and easy to follow. You do have your connected drive menu here, where you can access things like your app store. There's also BMW services as well with there. You can also access some vehicle information here, And there's also some settings as well. You can make changes to settings with the iDrive system itself, and also some vehicle settings, including your front end collision warning there, where you can make changes to how early or late it reacts. If you want to have it react later or earlier. You do also have rear parking sensors, giving you added confidence when reverse parking, as it makes you more aware of your surroundings to the rear of the vehicle, of things you might be able to see. Gives you more guidance on how close you are to things. Now below here you do have your air conditioning, so you can keep the vehicle nice and warm or cool. It's very straightforward to use, with each button and switch clearly labelled. You can make sure you're making the right adjustments you need to. You do have your auto climate control as well, where the vehicle will make all the decisions for you. Now below here, in front of your automatic gear selector, you do have these storage trays, which you can pull out to reveal 2 cup holders instead, if you wish to have somewhere to place your drinks. There's also some storage there above as well. At the side of your automatic gear selector, you do have your different driving modes. You can flick through them at just the flick of a switch. You do have your Comfort, Eco, Pro, along with Sport and Sport Plus, which change how the vehicle performs and handles, so you can enhance your driving experience. It's very straightforward to change the menus, and you also have additional screens you can display on the infotainment screen depending on which mode you're in. Thanks for watching this video on the BMW 1 Series 125D M Sport Auto. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.